It is now time for a Suede Sofa moment with Laura and Robin.
Hey, this is Laura and Robin on the Suede Sofa. We're actually just hanging out at my house. This is Laura speaking, by the way. We're just hanging out in our comfy pants and debating on how we should start this very first radio clip. And so, anyway, we're just going with it. And we hope you guys are having a great day. Laura and I have been friends for about 3 years, and it's just kind of interesting where our friendship has come from. When we first met each other, we were at the library, and we were taking our kiddos to the reading time for kids, and Laura had a Kansas State sweatshirt on, and of course I had to go talk to her because my husband, Scott, is a big K-State fan. It turns out that both Laura and her husband are K-Staters, and basically we've been fast friends ever since then. As soon as our husbands met, they were like, you know, we kind of tease them that, you know, they text each other more than we do, but it's usually about K-State athletics and sports. So anyway, we're kind of calling this the Radio Diaries of the Suede Sofa, and if you haven't been to our blog, you'll want to go check it out. It's www.thesuedesofa.com, and it's just basically a comfortable place for people to go and share inspiring ideas. And so we're just going to be talking to you about just basically life, you know, everything from marriage to parenting to finances, just a lot of different things. So you'll have to check us out, and some days will be a little more lighthearted than others, and some may be a little more serious, but hopefully you will come and you'll get a little bit of hope. That's one of our missions, to give people hope.
Yeah, and they'll just be, you know, a few-minute little clips, because we're actually just going to be recording these in the comfort of our homes when we can squeeze in a few minutes between chasing after our kids and all the other things that we do. But really, we just want it to be like a good conversation with a friend where, you know, we may talk about things that a lot of people don't, you know, are afraid to talk to other people about. And so we're going to hit some hard topics at times in hopes to just reassure you that what you're going through is completely normal, because we go through the same stuff. And anyway, we just really look forward to starting that conversation with you and hanging out with you every day.
So you'll just want to come and join us as we do the Radio Diaries of the Suede Sofa, and you can read some more about our adventures in life on thesuedesofa.com. So have a wonderful day, and we'll talk with you soon.
Bye.
This has been a Suede Sofa moment with Laura and Robin. Be sure to check out our website at thesuedesofa.com. Sign up for our email subscription and get more encouragement for daily living.